everyone, I am Raindrops if you are new here, and if you are a returning drop, what it do, girl? Today's video, as you can tell, is a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing another wig install, and this is the other wig that I got about a week ago. I showed you a video, the video right before this. It's a $20 synthetic wig. In the back of my beauty supply store, they have wigs that they have on sale for $20 because I don't think nothing is wrong with the wig per se, but like when they lose the tags and stuff, she says they'll put it back because they don't know what the price is or even, you know, really what brand it is. But some of them they do. This one actually is from Sensational, and it just called out to me on a mannequin's head because, y'all, like, look at, it's not even the lace, but look at the hairline. It was like, I don't have to do any, I'm not going to have to pluck or do anything to this. So already, I really don't need the cap. This is the inside construction of it. There's a comb in the back and 2 combs up front. I've already tried this on. I can do like the flip over method. I can do a part. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and put this on so you guys can see. And it is, I have a small head, so just gonna brush this back. Now, it is not ear to ear per se. It does have baby hairs. I'm not really a baby hair person, but I will use them. But I don't do them heavy. I don't like them long. I don't like all the swoops. I just don't. So this is it. I'm just going to be cutting off that lace. But this is basically what we are working with. So I'm just going to go ahead, get started. Not going to talk through. I'm just going to play the music for you guys. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. So if you are new here, please take the time to become a drop. That means hit the subscribe button, tap your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Like this video, please. Brings in more people. It'll get to see through the algorithms, and more people will be able to see the video. Leave me a comment so we can get to know each other, since you'll become, you know, a part of the fam. And share this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.